A very good morning, dear students. Let us start our social science class. Dear students, today let us start a new chapter, chapter 9, pollution. Chapter 9, pollution. And I think all of you know what is the pollution. We can say that the pollution is a contamination of the environment. Contamination means we are destroying the environment, or it is polluting the environment by the discharge of the harmful substances. The substances means the things or anything, or the harmful substances into the air, water, soil. This is called the pollution. What is the pollution? The pollution, it is a contamination of the environment by the discharge of harmful substances. When the harmful things or when the harmful substances and all, it is going into the water or air or soil. That is called the pollution. And we can see these substances, what all the things or the water, what all the substances it is going to the air, water or soil and all, it is causing the pollution are called the pollutants. So this is causing the pollution and it is called the pollutants. So I think all of you understood what is the pollution. And pollution means it is the contamination of the environment. It is polluting the environment by the discharge, by how it is polluting, by the discharge of the harmful substances or the harmful things into the air or water or soil. It is called the pollution. So by destroying the environment, you know what is the environment? The environment, it is our surrounding. When we are polluting our surrounding or the environment, we are damaging our future. If we are destroying, or if we are destroying our environment and all, what we are doing, we are damaging our future. And we can see in this chapter we will study about the different types of pollution. Many types of pollutions are there, so we can discuss about the different types of pollution and their effect and the methods to keep or check the pollution. So we can discuss in this chapter about the types of pollution. And you can see the types of pollutions here. 4 types of pollutions are here. It is the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. These are the 4 types of pollution. We can discuss in today's class about these 4 types of pollution: the air pollution, the water pollution, the soil pollution and the noise pollution. When we are saying about the air pollution, we know when the substances it is destroying or damaging the air, it is called the air pollution. And the water pollution, the substances when it is polluting the water, it is called the water pollution. And the soil pollution, when the substances it is polluting the soil, it is called the soil pollution. And the noise pollution also, when it is polluting the noise and the sound and all, it is called the noise pollution. So we will discuss in this chapter about the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and the noise pollution. And in today's class, let us discuss about the air pollution. And we can see what is the air pollution. And we can see the air pollution, it is a contamination of the air with harmful gases. It is contaminating or it is polluting the air with the harmful gases. When it is with the harmful gases and all, it is polluting the air, that is called the air pollution. And the suspended, the particles and other harmful substances is termed as the air pollution. And mainly, what is the air pollution? When the contamination of the air, when it is polluting the air with the harmful gases or the substandard particles and other harmful substances, when it is polluting, it is called the air pollution. So we can see the causes of the air pollution. What are the causes of the air pollution? And first cause we can see, it is when from the motor vehicles it is polluting the air. You can see the picture. It is polluting the air from the motor vehicle. We can see here most of the motor vehicle it is using the petrol and the diesel. We know that when the motor vehicles it is running, it is for running the motor vehicles it is need the petrol or the diesel. And on burning of the petrol and diesel harmful gases, when petrol and diesel it is burning, from there it is coming the harmful gases. It is like the carbon dioxide and the carbon monoxide and the sulfur dioxide. This all it is coming from the when the it is burning the diesel and petrol, it is burning, and this all gases it is coming out, and it is released into the air. So these gases pollute the air. So how it is, the first point we can say that how it is causing the pollution means from the motor vehicle it is producing, or it is when the motor vehicles are running, it need the petrol and diesel, and when the petrol and diesel it is burning, it is producing, or it is the gases like the carbon dioxide and the carbon monoxide and the sulfur dioxide. This all it is coming out and into the air, and these gases it is polluting the air. So the first cause we can see from the motor vehicle, and second we can see from the industries and all. How the industries it is polluting the air, we can see the industries release the harmful smoke and gases in the air, and the contains poisonous chemicals. We know nowadays we are increasing the industries and from there it is getting the harmful smoke. When from the industries and all it is coming the harmful gases, and it is coming to the air, and it is containing the poison chemicals. So it is polluting the air. And the third point we can see it is from the forest fire, volcanic eruption, and from the forest fire and the volcanic eruption and all, when the smoke it is coming, and from there also it is polluting the air. And the fourth point we can see the burning of fire and crackers also harm the environment, and when the burning the fire and the crackers and all, it is making the environment to get polluted, or the air pollution. These are the causes of the air pollution. Once more we can say that the first we have seen from the motor vehicle, when the carbon dioxide and the carbon dioxide, the sulfur dioxide, this all it is coming out and it is polluting the air. And second we have seen from the industries, it is polluting the air. And the third point we have seen from the forest fire and the volcanic eruptions and all, it is polluting the air. And the fourth point we have seen from the burning fire and the crackers also, it is polluting the air. So these are the causes of the polluting the air pollution. And the next we can discuss about the effect of the air pollution. What are the effect of the air pollution? And first of all we can see the effect of the air pollution. We can see the air pollution, it is causes the serious health problem when we are getting the air through the air pollution and all, we are getting more the health problem, and the asthma and the bronchitis and irritation in the eyes, headache and the skin allergy. This all it is getting through the air pollution. When we are breathing this air, we are getting more diseases and the many health problem it is getting. So second point we can see the air pollution is a major cause for the acid rain, and the air pollution it is the major one for the acid rain. How it is taking place? The such type of rain causes the extensive damage of water, and the acid rain when it is coming down and the water it is spoiling, or it is damage to the water and the forest, soil and the resources and even human health. And the rain, the acid rain and all, when it is taking place, it is destroying or it is damaging the water, forest and the soil also it is, and our health also it is destroying. And the third point we can see, when the heat of the sun cannot escape the environment, the temperature of the earth it is increasing. The temperature of the earth it is increasing, and this is called the greenhouse effect. And in the long run it is lead to the global warming, and we know the global warming and all, and this climate of the earth is changing due to the global warming, and the climate of the earth also it is changing, so it is taking place the global warming. And the fourth point we can see, the pollutants in the air also have the bad effect on the monuments of the and building, especially those made of with marbles and all. We can see they change the color of the marbles when we are making the buildings and all. we can see because of this air pollution, especially in the marbles and all, when we are making with the marbles and all, because of the air pollution we can see it is changing the colors, and also these are the effects of the air pollution. And next we can discuss about the steps to control the air pollution. We have to control this air pollution. We are destroying our environment, but we have to control the environment. How we can control this air pollution? We can see, first of all, the filters should be installed in industries to control the pollution. We need the industries, but we have to keep the filters. It is needed. The filters should be installed into the industries to control the pollution. If we are keeping the filters and all, we can control the pollution. And second one, the people should use the smokeless charkhas and solar cookers and the biogas in rural areas to reduce smoke caused due to burning the firewood. We know that in the rural areas and all, we are using the firewood, the smoke and all, we are producing more. So we have to stop that. For that, we have to use the smokeless fire and all, and the solar cookers and the biogas and all. If we are using for the cooking and all, we can reduce the smoke and the air pollution. And the third point, we can see this use of the lead-free petrol and the diesel and the CNG gas reduce the emission of the harmful gases in the environment. When we are using the lead-free petrol and the diesel and the CNG gases and all, and it is the emission of the harmful gases in the environment. And next we can see the reforestation also, it is helping to reduce the air pollution. When we are reforestation we are doing, so from there we can reduce the air pollution. And we can see it is a process of the restoring the forest and once existed but were cleaned at some points of time in the past. And we can when we can cut the trees and we can keep the new plants, and also from there we can pollute the air pollution, we can reduce the air pollution. So these are the steps to control the air pollution. Then first of all, we have told that from the filters should be installed for the industries and all. And the second point, we have seen the rural areas and all, we have to reduce the smoke, the firewood, the burning firewood, and we have to keep the smokeless things and all. And the third point, we have said that we have to use the lead-free petrol and the diesel and the CNG gases and all. And the fourth point, we have discussed about the emission of the vehicles. It is reduced by the probably maintaining them. When we are maintaining the vehicles, we can reduce we can control the air pollution. And the fifth point, we told about the reforestation. So these are the steps to control the air pollution. And in today's class, we discuss about the air pollution, and the air pollution, the effect of first we have seen the causes for the air pollution and the effect of the air pollution and how we can control this air pollution. And also in next class, we can discuss about the water pollution, the soil pollution and the noise pollution.